Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we are once again with the next lecture. In our previous lecture, we discussed the applications of equilibrium constant, and in that lecture, we detailed discuss that what will be the direction of reaction and how equilibrium constant help us to predict the direction of the reaction. Today we are going to discuss extent of reaction. That what is extent means? Extent means up to what limit? Up to what limit? What will be the limit of the reaction? Whether the reaction will 100% converts to product, or up to some extent the reaction will convert to product, means 20% or 30%, or there's a 50-50 case. So extent of the reaction can also be known with the help of the Kc value. So there are also three cases in this case as well. If the Kc value is very small, if the Kc value is very large, or Kc value is nearby to 1, neither very small nor very large. So we are going to discuss one by one these cases. First of all, if the Kc value is very small, when is the case when the Kc value becomes small? We know that Kc is equal to product concentration over reactant concentration. We have already studied mathematics. When it is possible that Kc value becomes small? Kc value is only possible to become small when the denominator is very large. When the denominator is very large, the possibility of Kc is becoming very small. So concentration of A and B is larger than the C and D, and we have already discussed it several times that what is C and D, the product side is representing as a concentration of C and D, and what is the A and B, the reactant side is representing as the concentration of reactant. So if A and B is very large, the value of Kc becomes very small, and if the Kc value comes out to be very small, equilibrium mixture will contain mainly the reactant. Equilibrium mixture will contain mainly reactant and very small amount of the product. If the product amount is very small, it reflects us that reaction does not proceed appreciably in the forward direction. Means little bit amount of the reactant is converted into the product, and the reaction has established the equilibrium and no more product is forming. There's an example. Imagine decomposition of ammonia. The ammonia decomposes into nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas. For this particular reaction, the Kc value is 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 9. It is very small value. So since the value is very small, it means that the equilibrium mixture contains mainly this thing and very small amount of this product side. So it reflects us that the reaction has not gone to completion, the reaction is not moved in the forward direction, but very little. The second possibility, large value of Kc. When it is possible to have the large value, we know that Kc is equal to product over reactant. So when it is possible to have the large value of Kc, we know that product we have represented with C and D, and the reactant side we have represented it with A and B. The Kc value is large only possible if C and D are big enough, large enough. If the value of C and D, that is product, is big, large, the Kc value automatically becomes the larger. So concentration of concentration of D is larger than the concentration of A and B, Kc value will come out to be very large. And it explains us that equilibrium mixture will contain mainly the product. As we know that their value is large, so it means that the concentration of product is high. Mainly the product and very small reactant. Very small reactant will be present in the equilibrium mixture. This indicates that reaction is completed in the forward direction. Means most of the reactant is converted into the product and very little amount of reactant is left behind to be reacted. There is an example, that is carbon monoxide reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. The Kc value for this particular reaction is 2.2 into 10 to the power 22. This is a very large value. Plus 22 in the power is very large value. It indicates us that most of the reactant, this thing has almost converted into carbon dioxide, and the reactant side is very small. Concentration remain unreacted. Very small unreacted value of the reactant is present. Let's move to the third case. Kc value is neither very large nor very small. Concentration of C and D and concentration of A and B will be very close to each other. When these values, their concentrations are close to each other, it means that Kc value will also be close to the 1. Kc value will be closer to the 1. Means the equilibrium mixture will contain appreciable amount of reactant and the product. Means approximately equal amount of reactant and product will be present in the equilibrium mixture. For example, N2O4 decomposes into nitrogen dioxide. For this particular reaction, the Kc value is 0.211, which is near to 1. Near to 1, which means that there is approximately, appreciably equal or little bit 40-60 Ks near to one another. The concentration of reactant and products are present in the equilibrium mixture. Thank you boys. Allah Hafiz.